Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Soboro Don. It's meal for one series today. And today's menu is Soboro Don rice ball topped with salty sweet pork topping. It's super easy to make. You don't need knife, you don't need pot, and you can whip it up in 10 minutes. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this Soboro Don, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make one serving. For the pork topping, 150 grams of ground pork. You can use ground chicken instead. 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce and grated ginger, 2 teaspoons each of sake, mirin and sugar, and half teaspoon of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock. For the egg topping, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of mirin and pinch of salt. And you also need 1 portion rice pack. By the way, this is how I keep my ginger. When I get ginger, I grate it all while it's still fresh before it gets dried out and pack it thin and flat like this in freezer bag and freeze. When I want to use it, just break some like this and put it frozen in whatever I'm cooking. Let's put all the ingredients for the pork topping in this food container. Ground pork, grated ginger, sugar, hondashi, mirin, sake, soy sauce, and 4 tablespoons of water. And just give it a good mix. Put the lid on. Don't set it tight. Just put it on like this and microwave. 2 minutes at 800 watts. It's half cooked and still raw inside. Mix it well. Try to break lumpy pork into pieces. Okay, another 2 minutes at 800 watts. This time with the lid off. The pork is completely cooked now. So the pork topping is done. Now let's get to the egg topping. 2 eggs, mirin and salt. In another food container and beat it well. Put the lid on. Again, don't set it tight and microwave for 30 seconds at 800 watts. Give it a mix. Lid back on in another 30 seconds. It's looking like this now. Mix it again. Try to make it like a fine scrambled egg. Lid back on and microwave for one last time. This time, just 10 seconds. Now, the egg is completely cooked, so the egg topping is ready too. Now, let's microwave this one portion rice pack to steaming hot. For this size, I'm doing 1 minute at 800. But depending on your portion size, you need to adjust. Just make it steaming hot to regain the softness and fluffiness. Steaming hot rice in the serving bowl. Fluff it. Egg topping on one side. And pork topping on the other side. And Soboro Don for one is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The salty sweet and gingery pork is a perfect match with the fluffy egg and rice. It really doesn't taste like a dish I cooked in 10 minutes. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Soboro Don is rice and main put together, so let's put it here and nothing here. Because Soboro Don is very easy, let's keep the whole meal that way. Instant miso soup here, some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade for one of the side dishes. And let's just forget about the other side. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!